Ayan, good morning mga automatic for life. Muli, Global Pinoy Automatic Transmission Specialist. Dito po ito sa Panay Amadeo branch. Ngayong umaga ito ay pagka-quality naman yung gagawin natin ng Ford Ranger Wild Truck. Ito ay 2017 model. So doon sa nauna naming video, ito ay no drive no reverse. Ito yung ating hinila o rescue natin from Tagaytay City. Ayan po, dito po yan na ayan, titis drive po natin ito, no drive no reverse. Ayan, 3.2 ang makina, 3.2 liter engine, of course 6 automatic transmission po yung naka-install yan. So ayan, samahan nyo ako at ating witnessan kung gumana na ba ang sasakyang ito pagkatapos namin gawin ang transmission. So ayan, dito tayo. Takbo tayo. Siyempre safety procedures, kailangan natin ng seatbelt. Sa mga driver dyan, huwag kalilimutan mag seatbelt para na rin yan sa ating sinturon pangkaligtasan, ika nga doon sa airplane. Ayan, so biyahe tayo. Ayan, no? Running na, musad na tayo. Ayan, no? Oy, takbo na. Second, third, fourth gear na, sunod-sunod. Fifth, ayan, 5 na. One more. May tricycle sa unahan. May motor pala sa unahan, di natin ano yan. Ayan, gumilid siya. Downshift sa 4. Balik sa 5. One more. Ayan, sa is. Tumakbo na tayo, 100 na takbo. 100 na po ang takbo. Relax ang makina. So ayan, ganun siya katulin. Tulin po. Ford Ranger Wild Truck 2017 model, no drive no reverse. This time makita nyo naman po sa video, running good as new. This vehicle is running like a brand new. So after transmission revealed and Global Pinoy Automatic Transmission Specialist, the #1 automatic transmission rebuilder in the country. Thank you for the trust. Mabuhay and God bless. Ayan, continuous pa rin tayo. Doon pa tayo sa unahan. Bago babalik naman ako mamaya, paahon naman papuntang Tagaytay. So this time palusong pa lang ito. Yung paahon naman ang kukunin natin. Paahon na ito, paahon na. Hindi tayo maka-overtake kasi may tricycle. Yan ang pinakamahirap dito sa pag-quality kapag meron tayong mga nasusundan na mga ganitong tricycle. Hindi tayo makakakumpleto ng kambyo, pero kailangan natin malampasan to para malaman kasi natin kung kumpletong kambyo, then kung ma-meet natin yung pagiging responsive ng transmission once nabirahin. Tulad nito, bibirahin natin. Ayan, yan, sumipa. Naiwan kagad yung tricycle. Ayan po mga kamatic for life, ganyan siya ka lakas tumakbo. Ayan, naiwan kagad yung tricycle. So tama po, napaka-responsive po ng ating automatic transmission. So kahit birahin natin to, ahon po ito. Ayan, ayan, mag-100 na po yung takbo niya. 100 na po. Ayan, kompleto na po yung cambio. 6 gear na po. Ayan, sumusobra pa. 100. Ayan, tulin. May mga inabot tayo mga motor dito sa unahan. Siyempre, depensa pa rin kasi mahirap yung kaskasero na wala sa lugar. So ito, Defensive driving po ang dapat na gagawin natin pag ganito katulin ng takbo. Pero ginagawa lang po ito para sa pagwa-quality po ng transmission, para bago namin i-turn over yung unit ay maramdaman ng may-ari yung performance na good like as new. Di ba? Ayan po, running very well. Thank you Lord. At muli, isa na naman tong accomplishment. So kahit sa may-ari, mula sa no drive no reverse, and then ngayon ito na siya, back to standard. Tuwa na po ang may-ari nito. Ayan. Transmission po ang ginawa po natin dito. Ayan po, continuous moving. Continuous moving. Muli, ito ay Ford Ranger Wild Track 3.2 liter engine, and of course 6-speed automatic transmission. Issue no drive no reverse bago ipinasok sa amin. Ito po ay nasa unang video namin. Tinuwing lang po natin to papuntang siya, ni-rescue lang po natin to. So ito na siya ngayon. Maraming salamat sir, thank you so much sir, for trusting us, trusting GPAT, so Global Pinoy Automatic Transmission Specialist. Here is your car now. It's moving. Keep on moving, and ito, it's here. Let's go. This is the Swiss lateral road. Yan. Yes, come on, yes, come on. Let's go. Going to fifth. Yes, that is fifth gear. And one more. I need one more. Yeah, come on. Whoop. Yes, completely smooth shifting, accurate and responsive automatic transmission. Wow, it's very fast, more than 105 kilometers. Oh, 110. Oh my gosh. Come on, it's curve over here, so a little bit apply a brake. Ayan, a little bit of brake, slowly down. Yeah, and there's a crossing. Yeah, okay, it's safe outside, safe, and let's go again. Oh yeah, it's number 4, gear number 4. Gear number 5, and one more. Here is the number 6. Yes, very smooth, very smooth. This is very smooth. Smooth shifting, accuracy and responsive all the time. The automatic transmissions, it will shift going up and down, so the accurate and responsive of transferring the gear from between the low gear into higher gear and higher gear to lower. So look at this, this is the intersection ahead. The vehicle is going down, the transmissions shift to down, and then again we will shift going up after this crossing. Yes, now we are here. Yeah, let's go again. Second gear, continuously, and third gear, fourth gear. Yes, fourth gear. Yeah, so that is fifth gear. One more. And this is sixth gear. So completely functional. Okay.